Welcome to my channel. Please showing my top 5 best products review.
Product review number 1.
Best 5 digital gram and etekcity food kitchen scales for weight loss. Introducing the etekcity food kitchen scale, the ultimate tool for precise measurements in your weight loss, baking, cooking, keto, and meal prep endeavors. With its smooth plan and precise estimation capacities, this scale is an unquestionable necessity for any home, kitchen, or office. Let me walk you through the features and benefits of this exceptional product. First and foremost, accuracy is key when it comes to achieving your health and culinary goals. The etekcity food kitchen scale ensures precise measurements with its ability to weigh up to 11 pounds in 1 gram increments. Whether you're portioning ingredients for a weight loss recipe or preparing a delicious meal, you can rely on this scale to provide reliable and ultra-precise measurements. One of the champion elements of this scale is its easy to understand interface. With a straightforward snap, you can undoubtedly change between units like ounces, pounds and ounces, grams, milliliters, and liquid ounces. Additionally, the tare function allows you to deduct the weight of your container, so you can accurately measure the net weight of your ingredients without any hassle. Combine multiple ingredients in one bowl with ease and achieve perfect results every time. The etekcity food kitchen scale is designed for your convenience. The illuminated LCD show guarantees clear and simple to understand estimations, even in faintly lit conditions. Worried about power? Don't be! This scale is powered by 2 AAA batteries included, making it portable and ensuring you can easily replace them when needed. The scale also features an auto-off function that helps conserve energy by turning it off after 2 minutes of inactivity.
Product review number 2.
Etekcity food kitchen scale 22 pounds, digital weight grams and Oz for weight loss. Introducing the etekcity food kitchen scale 22 pounds, the ultimate tool for precise measurements in your weight loss, baking, and cooking endeavors. With its impressive features and sleek design, this scale is a game changer in your kitchen. I'll walk you through the advantages and disadvantages of this outstanding product. First and foremost, this scale boasts a maximum capacity of 22 pounds, allowing you to weigh objects as heavy as 22 pounds and as light as 2 grams. With its 1 gram increments, you can achieve accurate and precise measurements for all your cooking and baking needs. Whether you're portioning ingredients for a weight loss recipe or preparing a delicate recipe, this scale delivers reliable results. One standout feature of the etekcity food kitchen scale 22 pounds is its waterproof design. With an IPX6 waterproof rating, you can easily measure liquids without worrying about damaging the scale. Basically, clean it off after use, and it's prepared for your next culinary experience. This waterproof feature adds convenience and versatility to your kitchen tasks. Another remarkable feature is its rechargeable battery. Say goodbye to constantly replacing batteries. This scale comes with a USB-C charging cable, allowing you to conveniently recharge the scale whenever needed. No more running out of power in the middle of meal prep or baking sessions.
Product review number 3.
Amazon Basics Stainless Steel Digital Kitchen Scale with LCD Display. Introducing the Amazon Basics Stainless Steel Digital Kitchen Scale, the perfect addition to any kitchen for precise and convenient weighing. With its sleek design and advanced features, this scale offers a reliable solution for your culinary needs. Let me walk you through the benefits and drawbacks of this outstanding product. This stainless steel digital kitchen scale features a widescreen LCD screen, providing clear and easy to read measurements. With a weight limit of 11 pounds, about 5,000 grams, this scale can handle a wide range of food items, ensuring accurate portioning and recipe preparation. The scale displays results in ounces, grams, and pounds, allowing you to choose your preferred unit of measurement. Equipped with advanced sensor technology, this scale delivers quick and accurate responses, ensuring precise measurements every time. The tare button is a handy feature that subtracts the weight of the container, allowing you to measure only what you need. This eliminates the hassle of manual calculations and provides efficiency in your cooking and baking endeavors. The Amazon Basics stainless steel digital kitchen scale is made with BPA-free plastic components, ensuring food safety. It includes 2 AAA batteries, so you can start using it right away. With aspects of around 8.25 by 7 by 1.25 inches, this scale is minimized and simple to store in your kitchen.
Product review number 4.
Nicewell Food Scale, 22 pounds digital kitchen scale, weight grams and Oz for cooking baking. Let me introduce you to the Nicewell Food Scale, a reliable companion for your cooking and baking adventures. As someone who enjoys spending time in the kitchen, I understand the importance of precise measurements, and this scale delivers just that. Here are the pros and cons of this exceptional kitchen tool. The Nicewell Food Scale is equipped with 4 high-precision load sensors, ensuring accurate measurements with increments as small as 0.1 Oz/1 G. Whether you're adding ingredients or tracking your food intake, this scale has a measuring range of 0.1 ounces to 22 pounds, 2 G/3 G to 10 kilograms, providing versatility for all your culinary needs. With its large LCD display and 9-inch by 6.3-inch platform, this scale offers easy readout and ample space for weighing various ingredients. It supports multiple units of measurement, including grams, kilograms, pounds, ounces, fluid ounces, and milliliters, catering to diverse recipe requirements and dietary preferences. The practical design of this scale incorporates a tempered glass surface for durability and a sleek stainless steel top surface that resists fingerprints and is easy to clean. Additionally, the attached hook allows for convenient storage, keeping your kitchen organized and clutter-free.
Product review number 5.
Greater Goods Gray Food Scale, digital display shows weight in grams. Introducing the Greater Goods Gray Food Scale, a must-have kitchen accessory for anyone who wants to elevate their cooking and baking game. As an aspiring chef or a health-conscious individual, you deserve a scale that delivers accuracy, convenience, and style, and this scale checks all the boxes. Let's start with its fresh features. This digital food scale offers precise readings down to the gram, allowing you to portion your ingredients with impeccable accuracy. With an impressive weight limit of 11 pounds, it accommodates a wide range of recipes. Furthermore, it upholds 4 units of estimation, including grams, ounces, milliliters, and pounds, so you can without much of a stretch follow any recipe. The simplicity and style of this scale are second to none. When not in use, its compact size and modern, streamlined style make it easy to incorporate into any kitchen's decor. The smooth surface not only enhances its aesthetic appeal but also makes cleaning a breeze. Rest assured that you're not alone in your culinary journey. The Greater Goods team in St. Louis is always ready to provide exceptional support. If you have any questions or need assistance with your kitchen scale, their industry experts are just a call away. They take pride in their work and are dedicated to ensuring your experience is nothing short of fantastic.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product.